Today, we're saying goodbye to power outages with our new Oupes Mega 3 solar generator and solar panel combo. Now I can be prepared for power outages, as well as have electric in areas that previously didn't have any. And it comes shipped to your door ready to give you power for any situation too. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a bag of different cables, and then your solar generator. And then, it comes with a portable folding array of solar panels. It comes collapsed down and have handles at the top, so you can bring your solar panels with you. The generator also has useful handles on top, as well as wheels on one side of the bottom, then rubber grips on the other side. On top, you have a pull-out handle to help maneuver the generator around. On the front of the generator, you can find 4 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports, 5 20A plugs, a 30A plug, as well as a 12-volt plug, and then another 12-volt car adapter port. Then of course, it has a big screen on the front to get the status of your generator. It even has app integration. However, at the time of making this, the app is only available on Apple and Android. And of course, it's coming soon on Google Play, so I can't test the app on my Pixel. But when it becomes available, that will be such a useful feature to check the status of my generator and not have to go outside. Now you can plug this into the wall to charge it, or you can use the solar panels. For now, we're going to set it up manually, test the solar panels, and make sure everything is running well. I've been wanting electric out at our garden, so I brought the generator up there and grabbed the solar panel. I unsnap the buttons, and it unfolds like an accordion. Then you can rest it right there on the ground, next to your generator, and charge it. I later found out that it even has fold-out kickstands to angle it towards the sun a bit more and get more direct coverage. Then, I unraveled the cables that were attached to the solar panels and grabbed my connector piece from the bag. I connected those together and then plugged it into the back of the generator. And like that, the screen lights up and shows your input watts. Now your generator is charging from the sun. I set up a little workstation. I plugged in my heated chair, charged my phone and speaker, as well as my electric scooter. Then I built a little storage shed to have a dry place to store this, and by the time I was done, the generator actually went up in charge a bit. I was charging devices the whole time, and we generated more energy than we used. And that's with just one solar panel. I wheeled it into the storage shed and came back out the next day. I lined the roof with the solar panel and grabbed a second one, connected those together and plugged it in. The solar panels covered the roof almost perfectly, and now there's so much more coverage to generate even more energy. So awesome. After I got a full charge from the sun, I wheeled it back inside and tested it in my office. I plugged in my stand-up desk, treadmill, computer, and monitors, and I was able to work purely off the energy of the sun. I'm a huge fan of the idea of solar energy. I would love to be able to power our whole house from solar one day, and with these, you can expand to as many batteries as you want. And I can't wait to test this out more and actually utilize it during a power outage. So if you're looking for backup power in any situation, this portable solar generator and solar panel combo might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go edit this video using my new solar generator and the power of the sun. See ya!